Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server Debate Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn overview of SQL Server agent configuration. And in this video, we'll going through the general settings, advanced setting, alert settings, job system setting, connection setting, and history settings. And some of these settings are really important for you to know about the SQL Server agent configuration. So that's why I'm putting out of this video. So I hope that video will help. And let's go. Take a look. You have connected with the SQL Server. So this is my SQL Server. So we are connected with the SQL Server, and just expand the SQL Server instance. So in bottom you will get a SQL Server agent. Okay. So uh, look at the SQL Server agent. So right click on that and go to the properties. So in properties you will get the SQL Server agent properties. There is a settings is a general, advanced, alert, job setting, connection, and history. So as we discussed about these settings, so these are available on my SQL Server agent. So general setting, you have a agent services. So service state, and there is a service running or not. So service state is running, and there are two checkboxes are there. Auto restart SQL Server if stop unexpectedly, means that automatically restart the SQL Server when it will stop automatically. Okay, sometime it will unexpectedly. So unexpected, any reboot will happen, so it will restart the SQL Server. And another is auto uh, restart SQL Server agent if it stop unexpectedly, means that whenever it will unexpected shutdown of the SQL Server agent, automatically it will restart. And there's the error log. So whatever we are getting the log, so error log will be the in this path SQL Server agent dot out. So if you want to change the path, so you have to configure on that for the configuration. Now we it won't allow to change that. And this is the file where the server agent will be the path. And next is include execution trace message. All the execution trace messages, if you want to include, then you can check in this checkbox, it will include that. And net send recipient, means that whatever the error log will come, it will, if you want to send to the any email address, so you have to provide the email address and it will send to that email address. Okay. So go to the next, advanced. So there is option SQL Server event forwarding. So if you want to forward your event to the central server, if you have a centralized server, there you want to collect all the events from the different servers, so you can connect with that. For that you have to check this one, you have to give the server name here, and events, what type of events you want to capture on that. So unhandled event and all events. So, and if events is like this, these are the list of the events. So what are the events you want to capture on that? There is a fatal error, database fatal error, hardware error, database integrity suspect. So these are the category of the error. If you want to forward to the centralized server, so you have to check this one. Next is idle CPU condition. Define the ideal CPU condition. So if you define the ideal CPU condition, it will just go for the idle. And this is not a good options to do in the production server. So this is not a production server, so you can try that. And if you don't want to do, then don't have a problem, just uncheck this one, it won't applicable. Next is alert system. So in alert system, there is a mail session. So mail session, if you enable that one, so you can send the database mail to any mail profile. So in previous video I already shown the how to create the profiler and how to check the database mail. So with that, this profiler is coming from that. So if you have multiple profiler, then it will list out here and you can send a mail to the particular profiler. Next is pager emails. So there is a options to, if you want to send pager emails, so you have to include this thing. and it will send to mail to that, and include body of the email notification message. So if you check this one, whatever the notification will come, and it will just send to the your email address. Fail safe operator. Fail safe operator is not enabled now. And next is token replacement. Replace the token of all job responsible to the alert. So if you want to replace token, then you have to check this one. Go to the next job system. So shutdown timeout interval in second. So whenever this is in second, 15 second is defined for the shutdown time interval. If you want to increase, then you can increase this one, and as per your request it will come. Next is connection. Alias server host server, host server. Alias local host server means that you my server name is Chirag. If you want to change give the some alias name, like if I'm giving ABCD to ABCD, so for connecting this server I can use the ABCD, so it will help me to out the connect with the ABCD. If you want to give some alias, then you have to enter the alias name here. Next is history. History is the current job history log size in rows. So whatever the history will come, whatever the process will run in the server agent, it will keep a history, and there is a options are there. Limit size of the job history log. So you can limit the size of the job history log, what for the size you will give. Maximum job history log size in row. In one row, 1000 rows will be the uh, maximum job history, and maximum job history row per job, how many rows it will consider. So means that this is for the 100, and this one for the maximum job history, and this is one for the per job. So if you want to change, then you can change it. And remove agent history. If you want to remove agent history that is older than 4 week and month and day, so you can remove that. That is all depend upon the your retention company retention policy, that how many days history you want to keep. So that is depend upon their company retention. So I'm not going through that, so job will not effect on that. So this is the process we can, this is the process for overview of SQL Server agent configuration. So thank you for watching.